How to select an object in Photoshop. Looking for the easiest way to select an object in Photoshop? In this video, I'll show you the latest methods you can use to quickly select people or other objects in your image. First, go to the Layers panel in the bottom right corner and make sure your main image layer is selected. Next, click and hold the Selection tool on the left toolbar, then choose the Object Selection tool. From the options at the top, open the drop-down and make sure Select People is enabled. Photoshop may automatically detect the people in your image, allowing you to select them with a single click. You can also move your mouse over the person or object you want to select and simply click on it. Photoshop will automatically detect the subject and create a selection around it. If Photoshop misses any parts of the subject, hold down the Shift key and click on those areas to add them to your selection. There's also another quick method you can use. First, deselect your current selection, then click Select from the menu at the top and choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically analyze the image and create a selection around the main subject or people in the photo. And that's how you can quickly select objects and people in Photoshop using the built-in selection tools.